In today's video, we're going to be talking all about the magic and power of the Labradorite stone. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new. Make sure you subscribe before you leave and click the little bell, whether you're a returning subscriber or a new subscriber. Make sure that you do click the bell, that way you're notified of all my videos, because otherwise you might miss out. Today's video is all about the Labradorite stone. This is my favorite stone. I love this stone because of all the changes that I've seen in my life with it around me in my room. I keep it with me all the time. I wear it as a bracelet. I keep it under my mattress. I just have it with me all the time. So we're gonna get right into it. What is the meaning and the magic behind this stone? Labradorite stone is known as the stone of transformation. Now the ones that I have here, it's a little piece of Labradorite. It's a raw piece of Labradorite stone, which one side is polished. And then I have a Labradorite wand. And then I have the bracelets. And I also have a tumbled stone right here. So I have a bunch. And I'm planning on getting more just because the power of this stone in my life in particular, like the connection I have with this stone, is so powerful, and I've seen such huge changes that I like to keep it with me and around me all the time. The power of this stone is that things just start to appear in your life. Things start to happen in your life. It creates change. It creates movement. It creates a shift in the direction that you want to go. It also helps remove negative energy. It's a very powerful stone in clearing out the negativity, negative thoughts, negative energies. People talking negative about you, it repels that off of you. It's a stone of adventure. It invokes and it invites spontaneous adventures, a lot of fun and laughter and good times. It's a stone of just enjoying life and really staying in the present moment. It is also a stone of creativity, so it really helps your brain get into the creative state. One of the reasons I love this stone is because I work from home, and so every day can be kind of it can get boring, it can get routine, you can get comfortable, and this is a stone that gets you out of your everyday routine. It doesn't let you stay in the energy of routine. This is a stone that allows you to receive messages from God, the higher self, the ethers, the universe, whatever it is that you believe in. It helps you get a connection to the Akashic records, which is a form of knowledge that is out there that is very powerful and very it's just very sacred, and it allows you to get a connection to that information. It protects your energy, it protects the energy around your body, it protects your aura, and it also helps attract and bring into your life the things that you want and most desire. It aligns you with what you want, so it just puts the right people and the right circumstances in the right time. It's a stone of synchronicity, so it just puts you in the exact right moment of the time to attract what you want. It just brings everything together in the right time, the right moment to happen so that you get what you want. With the Labradorite stone, you're very awakened to the things around you, especially the beauty around you. So you're more awakened to the nature, trees, the breeze, the wind. If you go out near water, the sounds of the ocean, just sounds in nature, the way nature feels against your body, the breeze, the way that it feels against your body, you're just very awakened to these things with this stone. It helps you find and get closer to your purpose. It's a stone that also helps you realize your self-worth. So it brings about the circumstances, the people, the situations, the thoughts, the energies into your life that will help you realize your self-worth. It's also a stone that enhances your psychic abilities. So if you're somebody that has a hard time listening to your gut, has a hard time listening to your intuition, Labradorite stone is perfect to carry around with you. If you are a tarot reader or a palm reader, something like that, this is something that will protect and also enhance the energy that you have regarding that. This is a stone that also makes your willpower stronger, and I've noticed that in my life personally, it is a stone that has helped me a lot with things like that. It attracts luck. This is a stone of luck just because, like I said, it brings the situations, the circumstances, the right timing, the energy, everything that you need. It's like luck. It just brings it at the right moment, at the right time for you to get what you want. It keeps love strong. So if you're in a relationship or you want to keep the love and relationships in your house strong, this is a really good stone to keep in your house. I like to keep one under my mattress, and I love the energy of it. It removes fears and it makes communication stronger, and it's something that I definitely will back that up, that yes, it makes communication stronger, and yes, it removes fear. I love to put this under my pillow or my mattress. I love to wear this. I love to light a candle near my wand so that, like, as the candle is heating up, I feel like the energy around the stone is heating up and just like amplified. Again, you don't want to leave the candle unattended because you don't want anything to catch on fire, but this is something that I love to do. I also love to keep one in my purse, and I want to get a giant one so that I can keep it right when you enter my house. So now this is just scratching the surface of the benefits and the magic of the Labradorite stone. Now I know that there's people out there that wear it for different reasons or have it for different reasons, but these are the reasons that mainly I use it for, and I've seen such a huge difference in my life. Of all the stones and crystals that I have, this is my absolute favorite. Like, I am so drawn and so connected to this stone, and so I wanted to do a video and tell you guys about it. But thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that you're subscribed, that way every time I upload a new video about crystals and stones, every single video will be different, about a different stone and about a different crystal, just like this one. So make sure that you click the bell, that way you're always notified every time I do upload a video. I do also upload videos on herbs, like different herbs and what their magic and their benefits are, both spiritually, on your hair, your skin, all that good stuff. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!